Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using little treats once again. And this is a sweet little Christmas card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using little treats once again. However, we're not going to be making a treat bag or box. We are going to be making a Christmas card. So we're going to use Ho Ho Ho, Merry Christmas, and this cute little Santa hat. So I'm first going to come in with my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And I have a piece of Whisper White, and I have the Hippo and Friends dies, and a piece of PEAR Pizzazz, all right. And then we're going to be doing our stamping on this. So I have my Real Red, and I have our sentiment and the hat both mounted on clear block B. So let's get our PEAR Pizzazz first, actually. And that's what we're going to be using our sentiment with. So just right there. And then the hat, we're going to ink it up in the Real Red. So just like that. I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Seal. And we're going to put this down. Just like that. Give it a good rub down. All right. And then I have the Designer Series paper Heartwarming Hugs. And that is cut at, and I have a piece of PEAR Pizzazz, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. All right, and then I have the braided linen trim. And I'm just going to get a piece of Scotch tape here. And put that in the back. I think I'm going to roll it over twice. All right, and our card base is Real Red, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. All right, so just like that, then I'm going to pop this up. So just like that. Then I'm going to come in with all the trimmings, embellishments, and I think I'm just going to use one of these bigger red ones. And actually, you know what? I'm going to use a white for his little ball here, just like that. So there you have it, a quick and simple Christmas card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!